Hello everyone. Whenever and whosoever the task regarding the document maintenance has given to them, and then the question arises to them, how can we implement it as we do not have a proper computer or laptop equipment to fulfill it? But even if we have a simple Android phones, we can do anything and everything. And in today's FDP, I, Nikita Goyal of Computer Science Department, would like to share my gratitude towards Principal Ma'am, senior staff, and my colleagues. We will create a simple document via smartphones which has a web version of MS Word application within it. You have to install the MS Word application via Play Store if you do not have pre-installed application in the smartphones. You just have to type the MS Word application in the search bar, and then here you can see there are so many applications related to the Microsoft Word, but you have to install the Microsoft Word of the Microsoft Corporation. You just have to tap it and then click on install button. Then you have to wait for the few minutes until the application installed, and then you have to open it. And during that instance of opening, this kind of interface will be there, and whenever and wherever you will install the Microsoft applications, then they will recommend you to sign in or sign up. It's due to all these applications will provide your data to store in the cloud areas, and if you don't have to sign in, you can tap on sign in later button, and then the clean interface will open where they again ask you for sign in, and if you have to deny it, you have to just simple click on add button, which is on the upper right hand side. This add button will help you to create the new documents, and you are seeing there are so many templates, and you can select any of it for your document creation. You just have to simple tap it and make changes according to it. But if you have to make a blank document for your work, you just have to simply tap it, and then the blank document open. Here blank document opens, and you will see the options that are available in MS Word's computer version, like the font options, layout options exist here also. You can see the various formatting options like bold, italic, underline, and you can increase the font size also. And you already know the main aspect of MS Word is to type a letter, and all the related tools for letter creations that are available in PC software are also there in the web version of MS Word application also. Here on the bottom right side, there is one button available, and when you tap on it, then a home menu will appear, and all the tools that you can find out on the desktop version of MS Word are available here. You will wonder where the font is. There is a font option, and when you tap it, then here are the list of some font styles that are default in your existing application, and you can use any font of your desired one. And supposedly I will select Arial Narrow, and here you can choose the size which you want your text to be applied with. Here I will select 14 font size. Like I will type MS Word beginning, then the font size is 14 and font style is Arial Narrow. And if you want your text should be bold or your text should be of different color, you can apply changes according to it with the bold and font color options respectively. Like if I want MS Word beginning should be bold and the font color should be another color, then you just have to select that word which you want to be bold. After selecting, you just have to tap on the B symbol. When you tap on it, then the bold applies, and if you want to change the font color, then you have to tap on the A symbol and it represents the various font colors, and according to your result you can change and select anyone. Like I select this color, so the font color is also changed. And one or more option is available here. Clear formatting. Clear formatting means if you type anything over the document and you have to remove that formatting like font size, font color and font style, you can remove it by using the clear formatting options available to it. You just have to select that text from where you have to remove the formatting and click on the clear formatting option. Then your formatting will be removed. Apart from it, there are other available options also like bullet list, the numbering list and alignment also. You already know what is bullet list. Bullet list is used to introduce items in a list, like we have a grocery list of items and we can term the list by using bullet list. Example, wheat list. Here we have the various bullet options. We can select any of it. Like I have chosen this bullet option. Then you just have to type the list like wheat, rice. Then you are seeing the bullets. And then the another option is numbering list. Numbering list is used to create a list via numbering position. Supposedly you want an item to be numbered. Like here are various options, and if you want this kind of number, then your existing bullet will be replaced via numbers. There are alignment options. What is alignment? Alignment generally used to describe that how a text is placed on the screen. we have various aligned options like left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, justified aligned. You just have to, if you want your text to be left aligned, then you have to use the left aligned option. What does left aligned option does? It is used to create a straight line of text on the left side of paragraph. It is already left aligned, but if you want your text should be right aligned, then you just have to select the text which you should be right aligned and then click on the right aligned option. Your text is right aligned, and you can do so on with other alignment options, like first one is the left aligned option, second one is the center aligned, third one is the right aligned, and fourth one is the justifying aligned. And after that, the find option is also available. You can use the find option to search any word, phrases, anything within your document. Like in this, if you have to find out the wheat word, then tap the find option available on home menu and then type wheat in the search bar. Then tap on the search button. Then the word which we find out will be highlighted to manage the difference about the existing find word, like wheat in this case. And if you have to replace any word, like here the selected word is wheat, then tap on the setting button and check box the replace button. Then on the second bar, you have to write the new word from which you have to replace the existing word, like I write corn, and when I have written, you just have to replace it. Then so wheat word will be replaced by the corn word. Then you have to close the find window. The find window is closed. You have seen the home options. Apart from it, there are other menu tools like the insert option, the draw option, the layout option, the review option, the view option. These are all menus that are also available in the software version. And when you tap on the insert menu, various options are available like blank page, table, pictures, shapes, text box, link, comment, header footer, page number, equation, footnote, endnote. You can insert the blank page with the blank page option. And afterwards, you can insert the table too. You already know that table is a two-dimensional format where you can arrange the data in the form of row and column. Tables are used for managing and arranging the data in a proper format. You can turn in like I have insert the table, and if you want to insert the columns, the rows, you can do easily. Like if you have to insert the rows above, then you have to tap on the insert above option. If you have to insert the row below, then you have to tap on the insert below option. Then if you have to insert the column to the left position, then you just have to tap the insert left option. And if you want the columns to be inserted on the right side, you just have to tap on the insert right option. Okay, then if you have to delete the columns, you can just simply click where delete column. Your column has been deleted. If you want the table should be deleted, then you should click on the delete table. Then the table is deleted. And if you want the row should be deleted, then you should have to delete the row by clicking on the delete row option. Your row has been deleted. And if you want your cell should be split, one cell should be divided into various cells, you just have to select that cell and click on the split cell. Your cell is divided in two parts. And if you want your cell should be merged, you just have to select the cell which you want to be merged and then tap on the merge cell option. Your cell has been merged. See, your cell is merged. And there are various other options, like if you have to rotate the text inside the table, you can done via text rotation. If you want your data which is inserted in table should be of proper aligned of left, right, center, justified, you can do via alignment option. And if you want your text should be automatically fit regarding the table, then you should use the auto fit option. And if you want your cell should be of proper size or common size, and if you want your cell should be somewhat large, and if you want your cell should be of somewhat small, you can change the size of the table via height and width of the table. Here is another option, picture option. Here you can insert any picture in your MS Word document which your mobile has. Then the another option is shape. You can select any desired shape. Then another option is text box. You can insert any text box and edit with edit text option, and you can make any changes according to it. Like if we want to edit with a MS Word beginning, then it will be edited. Then another option is link. Link is a reference to data that the user can follow by clicking or tapping. Like you can tap on insert link option, then they will ask the text to display via link. Like I have written beginning here. Then and on the another bar they will ask the address from where you can link the text. The text is beginning, then and you have to direct to that site which you have to open where beginning text you make as a link text. Like address I type is www.google.com. It means with the help of beginning word, it will create a link between the word and the Google page, that by clicking the beginning word, it will direct to the Google page. You just have to insert it. Then it shows the blue word with the lining. It shows that the link has made, and you just have to click on that link. And after clicking on that, there is a open link option. Just you have to tap on it and it will direct to the Google site. It's kind of link. Then we use the another option, that is comment. If you want to insert any comment according to your desired, you can just or use it. it's kind of a comment. Okay, then the next option is header and footer. Header is basically a top margin of each page and footer is the bottom margin of each page. ठीक है, why we use header and footer? Header and footer we include or appear in all your pages of a document, such as name, title of the document, page number, etc. You can easily implement via header and footer. Then another option is, after header and footer there is a page number. If you want to insert the page number, you just can simply done with the help of page number option. Then afterwards there are mathematical equations. If you want to write an equation, then you can use the equation option easily and you can write mathematical equation. Then at the bottom you are seeing the footnote and endnote. What is note? Note is generally we can provide any reference, explanation or comment related to the text. Just we have two notes, that are footnote and endnote. Footnote means it is simply a string of text which we want to place at the bottom of the page. Here it can be an author name, it can be a page number, anything. The footnote considered as which we will write at the bottom of the page in a book or document. But what is endnote? Endnote is that if we want our text should be placed at the end of the document, not at the bottom but at the end of the document of the novel or the manuscript. It should be at the end of the document, but the footnote should be placed at the bottom of the page. And when you tap on draw menu, there are a series of options available with it, like the draw with mouse or touch. You can easily draw by touch only. After this, an eraser option is also available, from where you can delete the object you just have created by clicking on the stroke eraser option and then delete it. Afterwards, there are pen highlighters. Highlighters is used to depict with various colors. You can increase the thickness of line with thickness options, like if you create any shapes or anything, you can change its thickness. And next option is layout option. In layout option, we can set margins. Orientation option, we can change the page size too. And the column option is also available. If we are writing an article in a magazine or paper, it can be in 2 columns or 3 columns. You just have to select it and use the various number of columns according to the articles needed. And in the layout option, there is a page break option also. And in the margin options, there are various respective margins like normal and their top, left, bottom, right, inches in centimeters are given. And there are page sizes also, like if you want letter size, then letter size is provided. If you want legal size, then legal size is provided. After the layout option, you have review menu, and you see the various options, like you can check the entire document's accuracy by various options like spelling, like proofing and language, smart lookup, etc. Like if you want the random text, you can make it happening by function equal to rand and then parenthesis. Here you have got the random text, and if you want that spelling in this document is correct or not, then you can easily done by a review option. Here you have a spelling option, and you are saying that there is no spelling mistake found. Then second is proofing and language. If you have want to change any kind of language, like your by default language is English, and if you want to change in any country's language, you can easily change via language options. And afterwards there are various options too, like smart lookup, word count, etc. Word count is used which tells about the description, that how many pages we use or how many words are in the document, and there are which number of characters, with spaces, with no spaces. All the description regarding your text is provided. And smart lookup is if you want a reference from a various sites, then another feature of MS Word, smart lookup will help you to accommodate this. Then there are new comment options and many more options related to it. Then our next menu is view menu, and when you go on view option, you can see the mobile view option, the print layout view option. Like if I click mobile view option, then the view is like this, and if I'll click the print layout option, then the print layout option look like this, and you can see the changes according to the layout option. You can fit the page also. Page width can also be set by you, and the zoom out and zoom in option will help you to zooming in and zooming. After the document creation, you just can share your data or your file via sharing option. You just have to tap on the three dot buttons, and then the share option will be available. You just have to tap it, and they are asking you to share your document as an attachment. You just can send your data or document via PDF format or via document format. If you want to share your data with the PDF format, you can click on the PDF format, and if you want to share your data with the document format, you just have to click the document format. Then they're asking you how you have to share your data. You can send it via Gmail, via Bluetooth, via Microsoft Teams, any other options. Like if I want to send via Gmail, you just have to click and you have to write the respective mail from which you just have to send it. It can be of any format. Like if I have to send my ID only, then I will depict my ID and I'll send it. And here's thank you.